So we have covered up so far the workbench, the import wizard, dataloader.io, which is all these three are the web-based application. Data loader is a tool, is a software which you have to install in your desktop or laptop, whatever you're using. Okay, so you have to go to Salesforce. I'm not talking about dataloader.io. It's a data loader. Okay, that's a Salesforce provided tool, and in order to download that tool, you have to go to setup here. So here you have to search data space loader and you get this data loader tool. And once you open this data loader tool, this will give you 4 links. One to download the file for Windows or Mac, and this gives you an instruction as well. So you can follow this instruction to download that. And this software need couple of other software to be installed first. Okay, I'm not showing you how to install this in your machine and do it, but you can actually go to this link, download the .exe file or the DMG file for Mac, double click and install it. It's the same way how you insert the other software in your machine. Okay, once you install this, I'm going to show you an image how the data loader looks like when you install that software. Okay, so this is how the data loader looks like when you install this in your system. If you go to the desktop, right here somewhere, you will find the data loader shortcut. Double click on this and you will find this particular tool. Okay, this is how it looks like. This tool has couple of buttons, exactly same button that we have already explored: insert, update, upsert, delete, hard delete, which is purge, export and export all. Got it? If you click on any button in this tool will ask you to first log in, because every single tool that we have explored required a login. So whenever you click on any of this button, you first have to log in with Salesforce credential. Once you log in, the data loader system knows that where exactly you want to dump the data, and then you can have the CSV file to load the data. Okay, hard delete and delete, you know the difference. Delete will help you to delete the data from the object, and hard delete will help you to delete the data from the recycle bin as well. Export and export all same. Export will help you to export the data from the object, and export all will help you to export the data from the other like recycle bin and all. So these are the buttons that we have in the data loader. All right, and data loader, the good thing about using data loader is the limit is little higher. It's very high, right? It's 5 million records at a time, which is sufficient for any big data load. Okay, so if you use data loader, then your limitation is higher and you can use any object. There's no restriction like you can use only for account or a contact, not like the import wizard. You can use data loader for any of the object to insert and update or delete. Okay, so these many operation you can perform in any object, and the number of records that you can perform in one single transition is 5 million. Okay, that's all about data loader. This is a same basics tool which you can install it. Just look into the guidance, the whatever system that you're using, Windows or Mac guidance, and follow the instruction and download it. Okay, but again, my suggestion is let's stick to the workbench. Do all your hands-on with workbench, or in case if you find the dataloader.io is also helpful, you can go ahead and do it. But dataloader.io doesn't give you all the other flexibility that workbench gives you. Okay, so learn the workbench thing end to end, and that's I think pretty much enough for you to survive in the data loading part as an admin. Okay, this Salesforce admin sometime do the data load by themselves, or most of the time, like recently I was helping a customer, and the customer was actually having one in-house operator, because they were actually capturing the data in Excel only, and end of the day the operator's job was to collect the Excel from different branches and load the data, because it was a nobody was actually using Salesforce to load the data like manually, like click on the new button. That's why this particular customer asked us to give a demonstration how the workbench thing works. We had given them a instruction and demonstration, and they are actually having in-house operator to do the data loading job. So that happens sometimes when you it's either you as an admin have to perform the data loader, or if it is a very frequent job, the customer hired somebody like internal operator who does this data loading activities. Okay, this is all about data loader and all the different tools that we have explored so far. See you in the next video.